So now let's create our first Angular project. I am going to type in an ng for the Angular command, new, and I'm going to call this Bigfoot. Bigfoot. It's going to be my Bigfoot website. There we go. And Angular is going to create a directory with all the stuff I need to get started on my website. Any minute now, we're going to get questioned on whether we want routing or not. We do want routing. So let's hit yes. And then this is our cascading style sheets. What type of cascading style sheets? Let's use SCSS. We won't do a whole lot of styling. I'm not very artistic. And this is going to chunk away for a while. So I'm going to pause the video because it's going to get really boring. And then I'll come back when this finishes. All right, it is all done. We have some warnings for our original line endings. That's fine. That's not going to change anything for us. And then also we have some information about get repos. If you're going to use that, you can go ahead and follow along there. We're not going to use the get repo. I am going to CD into the project that we created. Remember, we called it Bigfoot. If you forget, you can do an up arrow. Oh yeah, call it Bigfoot. There we go. So CD, do like a CD for change directory into your Bigfoot directory. There we go. And now if we do an not LS, dir, I keep forgetting I'm on Windows. We're going to get some stuff in there. So we got a lot of stuff already created for us. If we do ng serve, we could bring up a little server and then serve this page locally, and we could check it out on our browser. Let's go ahead and do that. That's just going to take a minute or two to start up. We're generating some bundles. There we go. It compiled successfully. I paused the video because I was getting bored with it. And let's go to our browser and check out our Bigfoot website. What do we got? What do we have right out of the box? So type into the browser localhost :4200. That's the port that it runs on by default, 4200. There we go. So this is our Bigfoot app. Bigfoot app is running. This stuff is put in there in the sample page, just at a default. And then you have this little ng generate. We're going to go through a lot of this stuff, but that's kind of cool. We're going to change all of it. We're going to get rid of it. We're going to make our own thing. So let's go ahead and get started with that.